I'm going to show you how to use the if function in Google Sheets. Say we want to change these commissions to based on the amount of the sale. Say under $100, we only want to give 10%, and over $100, we want to give 15% commission. And we don't want to have to hand code this, right? We want to actually just do this automatically. So let's replace this number with an equal sign and if function. What we need in the if function is a logical expression that's going to say true or false. In our case, we're going to say B2 is less than 100. And now we have two options. We can say what is the value if it's true, and then we're going to add another comma and say what is the value if it's false. If it actually is under $100, we're going to say 0.1. And if it's over $100 or it's not under $100, meaning this is false, we can say our other commission percentage. And so we copy paste this down, and depending on which commission you want to give, you can just put it right here, 10% or 15%. And now our commission earned is just going to be equal to the sale amount times this commission. And we can always change this, right? We can say instead of 0.1, 0.05 if it's under, and 0.1 for 10% if it's over. And there we go. And then we can see that difference. That's how you use the if function in Google Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.